Okay, so in this video we'll see how we can convert a list or other iterable into a tuple using built-in function called tuple. Okay, so let's say my list. Okay, so my tuple will be equal to, we'll use a inbuilt function called tuple, and then I'll pass my list to it, and then my tuple. Okay, so this is how we can convert a list to tuple. So this is one iterable. Now let's see another iterable, which is the string. String is also a string to tuple. So let's say my string hello, and I want to convert it to my tuple, which is gonna be tuple my string and then my tuple. Okay, so see here what it does. Basically it has converted them into string of characters. So tuples will have all the characters as a element to that, and we can do that using this tuple inbuilt function. That's all for this video. In next video we'll see some common operation on tuple. See you in another video.